Get the white marker pen ready. Ruler. Scraper. Fuse support. Electrofusion coupler. Pipe fittings to be welded. Barcode scanner. Jinenbada brand Electrofusion welding machine. Now let's start the welding operation. Measuring the length of the fused coupler. Divide the measured length by 2 and at 10 mm. Mark the pipe to be welded with the calculated length. Connect the pointing to an end. Draw grid lines in the ruled area. Treat another piping the same way. Now start scraping the pipe surface. Scrape the inner surface of the marking area completely. The purpose is to remove the offset layer on the pipe surface. Clean up edge residue. The surface treatment of the first pipe is completed. Treat the second pipe in the same way. Mark the pipe surface with half the length of the electrofusion coupler. Pay attention that the ruler and hands do not touch the scraped surface. Connect the pointing to an end. Draw a circle on the second pipe in the same way. Unpacking. Socket the pipe with the electrofusion coupler. The white line coincides with the edge, indicating that the socket is in place. Fix with welding support. Select appropriate copper head and connect firmly with terminal. Check welding parameters. Voltage 40V fusion, 50 AC cooling 5 minutes. Turn on the power. Press the Setup key twice to enter the parameter setting interface. The plus and buttons are used to increase or decrease numbers. The end buttons are used to move the cursor. Input welding parameters into the machine. After setting, press the Setup button to return to the main interface. Barcode scanner can also be used for parameter input. This is more convenient and simple. Connect the barcode scanner. Turn on the machine and directly scan the two-dimensional code on the Electrofusion coupler with the barcode scanner. The welding parameters are directly displayed on the screen. Press the Setup button to return to the main interface. Now start welding. Click the Start button. Reconfirm whether the welding parameters are correct. Click the Start button to weld. After welding, the cooling stage begins. After cooling, the screen returns to the main menu. Turn off the machine. Pull out the copper head. The whole welding process is finished.